Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome, I'm Crystal, and today I'm doing a VoxBox unboxing, which I have not done before. I've only done a VoxBox video, but it wasn't an unboxing kind of, because it was already open. But this one I just opened, so I'm opening it with you guys, because I haven't seen it yet, clearly. And it's a hair box, so be prepared to see lots of hair products, because holy fuck, influencers sent me a shit ton of stuff. So let's get started. So I got another influencer VoxBox that I didn't think I was getting, because the email I got the other day, I don't know what was up with it. It was saying I was in for it, the Salon centric one, and then I go to click on it and it says you're not in this VoxBox. I don't know, it was really weird. I don't know if they just screwed up with emails or what, because it happened to a couple other girls too, and I mentioned it in one of my recent videos. This will probably be posted after that. Not sure yet. I got excited, so I really want to show you guys what I got in here, and I haven't opened it yet, so it's a surprise for me too, for once. 'Cause normally I'm impatient as fuck, and don't wait to open it, so I'm gonna open it, and it's some hair shit, so this is gonna be fun. Let's see what it is. Okay. So I have not opened this yet, and I might need a knife to open it so I don't ruin it. Oh no, there's tape right here. Okay, I got it open. But holy shit, look at all the stuff I got. Like, ooh, influencer, you coming through to me this month. Like, fuck yeah. So this is the Salon centric, is that what it's called? Yeah. VoxBox, and it came with a little card of all the products I got. Let's see if we can, we can show you guys there. This is the Pro Beauty Box. I got the Keratin Healing Oil, L'Oreal Suri, like iPhone Siri. The L'Oreal Suri Expert DD Balm Nutrifier. The Matrix Total Results Miracle Creator Multitasking Hair Mask. Oh my god, so much stuff here. Ooh, I got a Pravana thing. Fuck yeah. Pravana Nevo Intense Therapy Leave-In Treatment. Redken All Soft Shampoo and Conditioner. And then some brand called Verb. And it's a hydrating mask. So I got the little card and stuff about the influencer, because they sent it to me for reviewing purposes, for free, but to review. So this is all the stuff in the bag. It's a lot. It's very cold because it was sitting outside. But it was the Siri Expert DD Balm Nutrifier. What does it say it's supposed to do? Where's the where is it? I don't know. It's somewhere in here. I'll find it eventually. Okay, the next one is the Matrix Total Results Miracle Creator Multitasking Hair Mask. I cannot speak today. There's like a mouthful of words on this. Woo! I almost dropped it or something. Fuck. But it looks like this. It's a pretty good amount in here. It's not like sometimes you get like those like sample packs and they get like, that was my stomach. You get like this much in here. This is like filled, which is really, really good. I am very hungry, as you can hear my stomach in the background rumbling. The Verb Manage and Restore Hydrating Mask. Yeah. What does this say it does? Doesn't tell you what it does, but it tells you how to use it. After washing with Verb shampoo, work formula through damp hair, allow mask to sit on the hair for 5 to 7 minutes, rinse, use once a week or as needed. And it's a little travel size, but it's really cute. And there's a decent amount in here, so thank you, influencer, for that. The next product is Redken 5th Avenue. Oh, that's the brand, I'm stupid. Redken 5th Avenue, New York City. Yeah. All soft shampooing. I don't know why it says it like that, but. Okay, next is the Pravana Nevo, like Vivo, like YouTube, I don't know. Nevo Intense Therapy Leave-In Treatment. I've never tried anything Pravana yet, so I'm excited to try this. So I'll never run out of leave-in conditioner stuff, because there's like so much shit over here that you can leave in your hair. in like miracle type mass. I'll never run out. Okay, this is a conditioner. So I got the, wait, no, this is different. These are different brands. I'm stupid. This is the Redken. This is Redken too. Okay, then these go together. This is the conditioner to the Redken shampoo. This is the Redken All Soft Conditioner. That's a good size, actually. Damn! Okay, the last product I got in the box is the Lanza Healing Hair Care Keratin Healing Oil Shampoo. Holy fuck, that's a mouthful. And what is this supposed to do? It says to apply to damp hair, lather and rinse. That's it. Doesn't say what it's supposed to do. Okay, I'm done, and it tells you everything it does on here. So I'm gonna read these off since I didn't do that yet, and I'm done. Okay, I'm just gonna start with whatever is on here first. The Lanza Keratin Healing Oil Shampoo. It has keratin, protein, boost strength, elasticity, and body with super concentrated healing actives. Holy shit. Sounds good though. Rehydrates with Phyto 5 complex. I don't know what the hell that says, but leaving it soft and silky smooth. I like my hair silky smooth, so I'm probably gonna love this shit. But on here is the L'Oreal Paris Series Expert DD Balm Nutrifier. I think I saw this at Dr. Oz the other day. I might be wrong. They're talking about L'Oreal Paris, which is what this is. This might be it, which is kind of cool that I get to try it now. So I just saw it on TV and it looked pretty damn good. But it says, Dryness Defense Balm for normal to dry hair. Undernourish mid-lengths and ends. Coconut oil hydrates without heaviness for shinier, softer, more supple hair. Is the Matrix Miracle Creator Multitasking Hair Mask. It says it intensely nourishes, revitalizes, fuck, and straightens hair in just 60 seconds. Oh, I'll be the judge of that, bitch. 60 seconds? That's pretty damn quick. I don't know about 60 seconds. Maybe a little longer than that. I don't know. Who knows? Says 20 beautifying benefits. Leave hair shiny, smooth, frizz-free, and hydrated and detangled. Why do they put so many like words that are like but my hair gets kind of frizzy like if I let it air dry, or if I just dry it like this. It's not like super frizzy right now, like it doesn't look that frizzy. I'm just picky with my hair. Like do my own hair, stuff like that. So the next one on here is the Pravana Nevo Intense Therapy Treatment. Leave-in treatment? Therapy treatment? Yeah. Fuck. It says it's lightweight. It's a lightweight detangler. Infuses hair and scalp with vital moisture. Good. I'm gonna probably use this after I get out of the shower because I use like oils and shit after I get out of the shower in my hair. Keep it nice and soft and not tangled. So I'm gonna test that out probably tomorrow. See how it is. I might have a new hair product I like to put in my hair. Also says it protects from thermal styling. Repairs split ends and soothes irritated skin. Repairs split ends. First of all, with split ends, if it's split, you can't really repair them much unless you cut them off, but I don't know. That doesn't make any sense. Next one is the Redken Shampoo and Conditioner that I had in my hand earlier. It says it dramatically transforms the texture of dry, brittle hair. All of these products, because some products, they'll claim something, they're like, oh, it'll do this, and then you feel no difference afterwards. Ow. I almost got a paper cut. That hurt. It says argan oil and keratin enrich complex detangle, replenish and soften hair. Good. I don't like tangling. I hate tangles in my hair. Oh my god. Like when I got out of the shower, sometimes it just tangles super bad. It hasn't been like that in a while, but I haven't colored it in like maybe 2 months. And I need some color. Like, I like faded hair, but I miss my color in my hair. This is super, super faded pink. Like, for the last one is, what is it? The Verb Hydrating Mask. It says it's weightless conditioning treatment designed to nourish all types of hair. Ooh, that's good. I've never tried Verb either. I've never even heard of Verb. Even when I was in cos, I never heard of this brand in my life. don't know if it's new or I'm clueless. I don't know. And it says, use weekly to restore color treated, ooh, girl, color treated. Okay, it's not color now, but I want to use this when my hair is colored. Okay, color treated over styled hair to add shine and softness. Yeah, I'm trying this one. Yeah, so that was all the stuff I got in my Salon centric Vox box from Influencer. And hopefully I get some more soon, because I got another survey right after I got this one, like maybe a week after, and it was for semi-permanent hair color, but I haven't got anything back yet, because it was from like last Sunday. But I didn't even know I was getting this one, so who knows? I might be having another one soon. I have no fucking clue. So if I do, I'll be testing that out and the color, because like I said, I need to fix this. I don't like faded hair. So, I hope everyone enjoyed this unboxing of my second Vox box that I've ever gotten from an influencer. Hope everyone enjoyed this on this hair. I have so many hair products, like, this is not one, but so much stuff to try out. Thank you, influencer. I really appreciate it. I love trying new beauty products, skincare, makeup, all that kind of shit. I love trying out stuff. See if I like it or don't like it. If I don't, I can give it to someone who does like it. So, when I do like, I'm gonna try this. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Check out my other videos if you haven't seen any of my other tutorials or anything you want to see on my channel. Just scroll down to my videos or go to my playlists, because I made a bunch of playlists. And I can't wait to try these out soon and film some more videos. And yeah, hope everyone enjoyed this. And I'll see you right in the next video of mine. Bye!